My name is Ahmad Arif Hidayatullah. I student of University Islam Negeri Raden Intan Lampung. I will explain many student of UIN Raden Intan Lampung doesn't enjoy electronic learning during corona outbreak. Electric learning is a system or concept of education that utilizes information technology in teaching and learning. Learning is required the aim of using an electric or computer system so that it can support that learning process. Electric learning has many benefits but many also provide instinct for students. For example, students of University Islam Negeri Raden Intan Lampung. In my opinion, the extent of a learning system through electric learning has hampered learning because not all students of University Islam Negeri Raden Intan Lampung in there are have stable signal. Not all teachers that's well. The extra schedule or learning are not sustained and not all students can understand the material explained through the system online. Based on the survey I did with the students of University Islam Negeri Raden Intan Lampung, most of the lecturers will teach often the application such as WhatsApp, Zoom, Google Classroom, Edmodo as learning media, and all of them required a very large internet network connection. Although many students complain about the learning system through electric learning, this activity must be carried out because to overcome the spread of the COVID-19 virus. There are also students who are with learning through electric learning because they can learn anywhere with having to go to an education institution. Students are not easily bored because learning through electric learning can be done while watching TV, while eating, and some are while helping their parents at home. Conclusion, learning through electric learning is quite helpful to overcome the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. But students are not quite ready to carry out learning activity through the electric learning system due to various reasons for internet network stable, erratic lecture schedule, and lack of student understanding material submit.